Hey Steelers, it's Dream Factor News for your hosts Zach Allen
and Canberra Center.
This week we talk about PDA, several school and local events, Computer Science Education Week, and National Pearl Harbor Remembrance Day. For your first bit of news,
what musical key do cows sing in?
Didn't we already do this?
Beef flat.
Okay. Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now, for a moment of silence.
Let's not forget CA Gray's mission. CA Gray Junior High School's mission is to provide a community support to all students, to ensure a safe learning environment, and to equip all students with strategies for a successful transition beyond the junior high level.
Now on to this week's featured expectation.
Kona Ice is back this Wednesday. Don't forget your money, like Gabriel has every time.
Hey!
It's the last week for pickleball. Many teachers are still accepting food items. Each teacher has their respective day to go to the gym. Those days are shown on the screen. Don't forget to bring your non-perishable food items for each of your classes.
The choir and band Christmas concerts are coming soon. The choir concert is tomorrow at 7 p.m. and the band concert is next Tuesday at 6:30 p.m.
Don't forget about the Christmas dress-up days. Those days are shown on the screen. Pause the video to see the image longer if you need to. Computer Science Education Week is this week. We're here with Miss Smith to get some questions answered. First question is, what are some jobs that use computer literacy?
Some jobs that uses computer literacy includes healthcare jobs, you have media jobs, there are technology jobs, right? And they comprises of, if I should look at a business job, I would say actuarian to become a financial advisor. If I look at the healthcare jobs, that would include like medical biller, becoming a radiation specialist. If I should look in the area of media job, I would look at social media web developer. For technology, you would look at software engineer, become a game developer, etc.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's very wide.
Okay. Why is computer literacy so important?
Oh, computer literacy is very, very important, I would say, because it allows you to communicate easier with others, right? It also opens the gateway for a number of different job opportunities, right? And it is also important because it allows you to stay up to date with what is happening in the world, in the real world.
Okay. Next question is, why should people consider, or why should people pursue computer science as a career?
Why should we pursue
Yes, ma'am.
computer science as a career? That's a good question to ask. Remember, right now we are living in the real world, okay? Where technology is becoming real advanced. All right? And because of that, we want to stay. We don't want to stay behind, right? We want to be a part of the world. And in order for you to be a part of the world, you have to understand and learn some form of technology where that is concerned. Okay? It allows you to understand the theories and emerging technologies that are taking place in the world, because almost every job now out there requires some form of technology. You have to be computer literate, right? To be able to work in the work world. Does that answer your question?
Yes, ma'am. And the last question is, what subject do you teach and what do you enjoy about your job?
Okay, I teach Introduction to Business and Technology, and I also teach Introduction to Software and Technology to grade 9 students. Both subject areas, they are both introductory course that leads a student up to high school for them to be able to choose the right pathway that they want to choose when they get to the high school. What do I like about my job? I enjoy teaching. I love students. I love to see my students work with the different resources that are available for them, the different softwares that is given for them to access and to be a part of. I enjoy that, and I enjoy when at the end of the day when they leave here they come back and say, Miss, I did enjoy your class, and this is what I am now doing. What you taught me helped me in the area that I am pursuing in college or high school.
Yes, ma'am. All right, thank you for your time.
Thank you for having me.
The Festival of Lights Christmas Parade is happening this Thursday, December 8th. Be there to see all the floats in the high school's 50th Regiment Marching Band as they lead the parade in their own lights and good music. The parade starts at 6 p.m. Make sure you're there early to grab a seat. This week's club rotation is HOSA, FFA, Spanish, Gentlemen's Club, Yearbook, Ladies, Drama, and Cyber Fun.
There's a lot going on in the next few weeks, so get ready because it's about to get busy.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week, Sager. This is the Dream Factory News, signing off.